Another day, another tattoo. These are the before.
I don't know if just a score or like a score with something else. Yes.
So we did the dragonfly and my little koi fishies. Now we're gonna do my back. I'm gonna get a spine tattoo.
It is now 6:06. I've been seeing angels numbers throughout the entire day. Almost every hour I looked at 3 angels numbers in a row. That's so cool. I now got my 2 koi fish, I got my dragonfly, and spontaneously did a spine tattoo as well. I only decided on that this morning, but I think they turned out so beautiful. If you are in Las Vegas, make sure to stop by 7 Tattoo Studios and book an appointment with Hanz, because he is incredible. He makes you feel super safe and comfortable and just does this incredible work. I can't believe I have that on my body now. I'm very happy. I cannot believe that this was already today. I actually saw a screenshot earlier this morning of the koi fish, and I did not realize that I took that screenshot 5 years ago in like May 2020 is when I was like, oh, I would love to have that as a tattoo. And this morning I was like, I want these, and I was like, oh wow, I took this in 2020. That's crazy. Well, I think I'm at 8 tattoos now. Thank you so much for joining me for my little tattoo session. I hope you enjoyed this one as well. I'm gonna add the previous one in here as well in case you want to see more like this. I am very excited. I'm gonna go have a little girls' night now. I can't stop smiling. I'm very happy. Thank you. Bye.